believe ghoulish things as I go around your host for ghoulish tale reviews for 2025, which only happens in 31 days of Halloween. Well, this is day 11, and I'm going to talk to you about a movie called Irrelevant Natural. Alright, let's get to the review, shall we? Well, the story more is a guy died 60 years prior to the event of this movie. And there was this locket hanging over where he was buried. Is it kind of like a keeper to keep him there? But someone removes this locket and he's awakened, and a killing spree starts. Okay, that's more or less the story. Now let's talk about the kills. Well, the kills are plentiful. This movie is very graphic in parts. Some of the kills are actually might make it a bit squeamish. You see a woman head gets pulled through her body in a really graphic way. You see a guy's head literally gets sliced in two. A guy head literally gets more actually poked by a knife. A guy gets chopped off, which he used to cut up branches, cut up his arm and his head. Like I said, very graphic kills, but also some off-screen kills. The ending, this one girl escapes, and she meets a woman on the road who picks her up. Nothing really happened at the end of the movie. She got a bit boring, you can say. We don't see the killer anymore. I like the weapon of choices he uses. I love the mask that he wears. This is a fun watch. Because the kills are very gory. Don't expect the best acting in this. The story is good. The directing is good. Don't expect the best acting around. You see why on Rotten Tomatoes gave it a 44. And critics for some reason gave it a 78%. I think it's overrated, but my score is an 8 out of 10. because you gave me what I wanted. Son, you learn lots of good gory moments. The one I call Goyan. Well, that's it for this review. Stay tuned for day 12. Because I'll be back for another review. Until then, make sure you watch my reviews. Well, you don't want to come for you, do you? Nah, probably a very wrong thing to do. Until later on, don't be scared. Don't end 9 minutes. Bye for now, everyone. Bye. Go on out.